Pictionary Card Game. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first team to reach 5 points. Setup. Divide the players into 2 teams. Spread the blue picture cards out in front of one team and the red picture cards out in front of the other team. Make sure all the cards are visible. The yellow side of the clue cards are for kids, while the blue side is for adults. Shuffle the clue cards and place the side you are playing with face down on the table. When kids and adults play together, use the yellow side. When adults are playing, give one category reference card to each team. Each team selects one player to be the first picturist. To begin the first round, the youngest picturist says a number 1 through 4 and draws a card. Without saying anything or letting anyone besides the picturists see the clue, both picturists count from the top down on the clue card, matching the numbers said to determine this round's clue. If you are playing with the yellow side, then read the category out loud. For the adult side, the picturist can point to the category on the reference card. Everyone plays on every round. When the picturists are ready, they say go. Both picturists immediately use their picture cards and combine them and move them to get their team to guess the clue. There is no limit to the number of picture cards that can be used. Both teams continue to use the picture cards to act out the clue. The picturists may not talk. The first team to correctly guess the clue wins the round and scores 1 point, and they collect the clue card. If no one is able to guess the clue, then the picturists agree and put the clue on the bottom of the deck. You are allowed to act things out so long as you use a picture card. You can combine picture cards together or with any other object in the room if you want. You can motion to your team that they are correct, or use other basic gestures such as bigger or smaller, but you may not speak or use any sounds. You may not act out any motion without using a picture card, and you cannot indicate how many letters long a word is. You cannot point to your ear for sounds like, nor use sign language. Determine at the start of the game how strict the accuracy of a word needs to be. For example, will you accept sneezing for the clue sneeze? Also, to make the game easier for younger players, you may allow them to act out the clues however they want, so long as they use at least one picture card to do so. After a round is over, another player from each team becomes the new picturist. The winner of the previous round picks the number for the next round. Keep playing until one team collects 5 clue cards. Then, that team is the winner.